It's back to school time here in Idaho, and we are currently planning to open our school in person with all of our students. However, we are looking at all the scientific data and will determine if we need to move to a different kind of instruction. Our district has purchased one-to-one devices, Chromebooks, for all of our students, as well as purchasing online curriculum. So we will have an easy opportunity to switch from in-person instruction to online instruction that also covers all of our state standards, which will be great. But since we are doing in-person instruction, we have gotten the green light to go ahead and continue our scientific labs as long as we do appropriate disinfection between classes. So that's very exciting and get to keep our kids hands-on. So excited to go back to school.